Welcome back for a course 205, and today we shall study the orthogonal trajectories. Okay, in this section really I just want to sketch what we shall do. So if you have a differential equation, the form of differential equation in this form, call it 1. And the solution for this equation is just f of x or y equal to c. This is represent a family of curves, okay, with one parameter c. We want to find the orthogonal family. Let's call this is the orthogonal family. Will be another family, call it k. Equation 3. Now to find this g, what you do? You need to find the slope from equation 1. Fx over fy, and then you need to find the orthogonal by using the slope of the product to slope m1 multiplied by m2 equal minus 1, the orthogonality property. This is m1, so you need to find m2, which will be dy by dx. By solving this equation, it will be just fy over fx, and this is 4. Solving 4, we find the orthogonal family to 2, which is given by 3. By 3. So in fact, this is the sketch. In fact, this is a sketch of what we shall do here. And now I shall give an example to explain this. Okay, now let's take this example, and in the example I said find the orthogonal family trajectories, they call them, orthogonal or trajectory, to the family of curves x squared plus y squared equals c. In fact, this family is just represent as circles when you change c. So let's find the slope. Let's find the slope. 2x plus 2y dy over dx equal to 0. Now dy over dx equal minus x over y. Dx over dy over dx. Now, when you want to find the orthogonal, use this notation and just say dy, okay, and just write dy over dx equal y over x. So if you see, this is m1 and this is m2. The product of them will be equal minus 1. Solve this equation, which is very simple. It will be dy over y equal dx over x. And we solve it as separable, and we did this in the class. So the solution of this is very simple. Y equal mx. So this is the orthogonal family to, if you call this is star, so double star is the required family to store. Now we shall solve some of the exercise regarding the orthogonal family. We go for 2.326 part C, and he said find the orthogonal family. I will write just C. C is so it will be, the family will be C equal Y equal 4A x square. So when you have such like that and A with X or Y, you need to just leave the A alone. So multiply by X minus 2 Y equal 4A. Now if you differentiate, you eliminate A. This is the reason why I divide by X squared. Differentiate with respect to X. Y prime will be here, and this is 0. Multiply by X cube. Okay, so it will be minus 2Y plus X Y prime equal to 0. Find Y prime. Just 2Y over X. Now the most important is you write the orthogonal, and don't forget just to find the slope of the orthogonal family will be minus X over 2Y. As I said, the product of two of them will give you minus 1. Now solve this equation. 2Y dy, it will be just minus X dx, and then Y square, and you can, this is will be minus X square over 2, take it this side, equal plus constant, leave it here. Okay, so this is the final result. So this is star, so this is double star is the orthogonal family to star. The last exercise, I take it Y equal exponential to the power cx to find the orthogonal family to this. So this is star, what we have, and we need to find double star. So again, you need to differentiate, but before differentiate, leave the c alone. So you take ln both sides. So it will be cx. Divide by x. It will be c. Now don't forget, this y is positive because it's exponential. Now differentiate, find the derivative. Multiply by x square. Then x y prime over y equal ln y. Separate the variable. What you will do here, this is x dy over y, multiply y here, it will be y. Yes, before we do this, yes, separate the variable y, ln y. Okay, so it will be just a minute, let's clean this. And here just dy over dx. So I multiply. Now to find the orthogonal, you need to find the other slope, which is dy. Okay, of course, first before we find the other slope, find dy by dx from this equation. It will be y ln y over x. Now, don't forget this. This is the most important, the orthogonal. You write dy over dx equal minus x over y ln y. As I said, this is m1 and this is m2 the product of them will give you -1. Now to finalize this, we need to separate the variable. It will be y ln y equal -x dx, and you integrate both sides. Now this integration can be done by u dv, so I will write it I. It will be u multiplied by v minus integral v du, and you take u ln y, it will be du equal y dy, and the other one will be dv. You will take it the only just y. Sorry, here we forget dy. Okay, where dv will be y dy. So your v so your v equal y square over 2. Now let's go for finding I itself. Just substitute there the integration. It will be u multiplied by v. It will be y square over 2 ln y minus v du. Du will cancel this one. It will be 1 minus integral y dy equal, I replace here direct, minus x square over 2 plus constant k. And if you finalize this, it will be y square over 2 minus quarter y square here ln y. Let's say I clean this little bit here. This is okay. It's okay. We can see it because it's not very too much. It's ln y here. So this is just ln y here. Minus quarter y square equal minus x square over 2 plus k. And this will finish this example, and this is the orthogonal, which we called it before, double star.